Yo, what's up mga runners? So this is our week 5, day 1, our marathon training. So today, recovery run lang tayo, 6K. So we're here at kay Titingga Alfonso. Lumayo tayo. So let's go! Alam nyo ba guys, minsan sa buhay, kailangan mo lang tumakbo para mawala yung mga problema mo. Science study says, running can reduce your stress level. So, takbo kayo para minsan mabawasan din stress nyo. Pwede rin walking. So yun, tara takbo. Come on guys! So guys, that's our 6K run here at Alfonso. So nakakapagod ng recovery run natin. So this recovery run is para sa kahapon nating run, para maging active pa rin yung katawan natin. So yun lang. I hope that guys you once again stay active, always run for your life for a better living. So run safe palagi guys. Peace. So if ever na gusto pa tumakbo, go one more. Let's go. Peace.